Did you know you can make money online without ever showing your face or picking up a camera? Today I'm revealing a step-by-step method to create viral faceless videos using AI tools you already have access to. And stick around because I'll share an exclusive bonus that could skyrocket your online income. Whoa, we don't have time for a fancy intro today.
Let's dive right in.
Step number 1, choose an evergreen niche that never goes out of style. Think personal finance, health and wellness, tech reviews, or life hacks. These topics have lasting appeal, ensuring your videos continue to attract views and generate income over the long term.
Hey Evan, this is cool and all, but have you ever actually even done a faceless channel?
Bruh.
Seriously?
Here's a sneak peek at my newest faceless channel, Hidden Island Secrets. Obviously, I picked a niche that is evergreen. There's over 100,000 islands in the world, and so there's going to be no end to the number of videos that I can make. This is the YouTube channel, and I have a sister channel on TikTok where I use the exact same videos. Because this is a newer channel, you can follow along and watch this channel's growth. And in a few moments, I'm going to show you one of these videos that I made on an island that I've actually spent nearly 6 months of my life on, so stay tuned. Step number 2, let's harness the power of AI with the latest version of ChatGPT. O1-preview. Here's how you can train ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts and hashtags. First, start with a clear prompt. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you need. For example, write a 45-second video script about your topic, including a captivating hook, a secret tip in the middle, and a compelling call to action at the end. If you want more training on this, check out this video. It just isn't the newest version. Request descriptions and hashtags. Ask for the video description and 2 sets of hashtags, one for TikTok and Instagram with the hashtag symbol and one for YouTube without them. If the output isn't quite right, tweak your prompt. You might say things like, make the tone more enthusiastic, or include a surprising statistic about your topic. By refining your prompts, you're effectively training ChatGPT to produce high-quality content tailored to your needs. Step number 3, take your script and paste it into OSSA.ai. In about 1 to 2 minutes, OSSA.ai will generate a fully produced, high-quality video in portrait mode, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks, all without you needing to film anything. And here's some great news. If you use my affiliate link in the description below, you'll get 1,000 free credits to start creating your own faceless videos right away. And I have a special bonus you should definitely check out. Again, it's in the description of this video. Time is money, so let's make the most of both. Instead of creating videos daily, which can become a grind, which is not what you want, batch your content creation. Spend an hour or 2 creating a week's worth of videos. This keeps your posting schedule consistent and frees up time for other important tasks, like marketing or even starting another faceless channel. I personally batch weekly for my faceless channels, but theoretically, you could spend 5 to 6 hours and get an entire month's worth of content. Listen to this. These faceless channels can easily hit $500 to $2,000 per month in ad revenue. So do the math on what your hourly rate would be. And don't go anywhere. In just a second, I'm going to show you how to get the work done without you lifting a finger. Step number 5. Once your channel meets the monetization requirements, like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, or for YouTube Shorts, 10 million views over 90 days. And on TikTok, reach 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and you'll start earning passive income from the ad revenue. Then consider hiring a virtual assistant to manage the day-to-day operations of your channel. This allows you to replicate the process in a new niche, scaling up your income streams even further. One VA can easily handle 3 to 5 faceless channels. My advice? Pay them well. 5 faceless channels can produce a 6-figure income for you without you having to show your face or do the work. You gotta love AI. Now, some pro tips to maximize your video's impact. Start with a strong hook to capture attention in the first few seconds. Include a surprising fact or secret midway through the video to maintain interest. And always end with an effective call to action that encourages viewers to like, share, or subscribe.
Hey Evan, this is cool and all, but are you ever actually going to show us an example?
Did you know there's an island where spices scent the air and ancient alleys whisper tales of the past? Welcome to Hidden Island Secrets. Today, we're uncovering Zanzibar. Zanzibar is famous for its beautiful white sand beaches like Nungwi and Kendwa, perfect for relaxation and water sports. Explore Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its winding alleys, bustling bazaars, and historic architecture blending African, Arab, Indian, and European influences. Here's an intriguing fact. Zanzibar is known as the Spice Island due to its historic clove industry, and you can tour spice plantations to learn about their cultivation. Join Iggy the Island Gecko on Hidden Island Secrets for more extraordinary destinations. Don't want to miss the next island adventure? You know what to do.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video and if you're serious about digital marketing and you're wanting to make it a side hustle or maybe even a full career change like I've done, check out onedaystartswithday1.com. This is my story. I give you more bonuses if you just watch the video on that page. And if you enroll into the academy, I'll see you inside.